Yo, 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 hey, what's up? We're back with Mittens. We're gonna tear the motor out today. Then we're gonna get it on a stand and maybe tear it down. So we'll see.
Tear it down.
Why not?
There's no way of getting the exhaust cam off. The exhaust cam here off. I don't have the professional way of this thing.
I'm gonna go to work and get a cam tool and then maybe tear it apart. That just ruined my plans. We're gonna get the motor out of the car today.
We can MacGyver a way to get it out.
We're gonna MacGyver a way to get it out. We're gonna do that.
We have a strong. We go to Home Depot and get the really big strong Milwaukee and just zap it off. I've wanted that for a while. I don't know.
We're gonna go buy a Milwaukee tool and zap it off. Or zap it on out of there. So yeah, we're gonna take Mittens apart, tear it to pieces. We're gonna pull the motor out today. It's raining, good old Pacific Northwest. Gotta love it. But once we get that all done, we're gonna get it on a stand. Hopefully find a hole or something in the block because there's a lot of oil on top of it, but we don't see one yet. So we'll get that going and then we'll see. I'm running into issues. I don't like it. Got a nut that's being a bish. It's on the passenger side engine mount. We're gonna fix it. So we'll be back. We're gonna head to some store of some sort, get some Dremel accessories, and when you can't get something off by normal means, you just make your own means. So that's what we're gonna do. Update! Got the bolt off! Got the nut off. Nuts off. Went out, we
Mask off.
we got a couple of tools. I bought the 3/8 high torque Milwaukee, and then if that didn't work, I bought I wasn't fucking asking, 1/2 inch. 3/8 didn't take it off, so I stopped asking it. I also, instead of deciding to try and cut up there, I got extractor sockets. So that worked pretty well. So.
And you were like, I should need the 1/2 inch. I don't need the 1/2 inch.
Yeah, so we're all good to go now.
Take
about to
the
pull this thing
downpipe
out.
off.
Yeah, we still need to do that.
I have one more bolt on the turbo.
Yeah?
I can't get it off until you get the downpipe off.
Okay, I'll slide back under there.
And then I can take turbo out.
I'm really tired of sliding under the car in the wet.
Are you?
Alright, I'll put this back on time lapse. So I'm trying to get off the downpipe bolts, but we didn't lift the car up like we could have. We just put it on ramps. So the back is still basically stock height, and it's raining, so I don't want to get on the ground because I've already changed my shirt like 5 times in this video because coolant spilt on me, oil spilt on me, I've slid underneath the car, water, and so I'm on my 5th shirt. My 5th shirt, and I don't want to change to a 6th shirt. I don't even know if I have a 6th shirt. So I'm trying to, I'm putting this in a stupid position just so you can see how dumb I'm being right now. I'm trying to find a way to like sea turtle my way underneath the car on the creeper to try and get to the bolts that I can't even fit under because if I'm on the creeper, my head doesn't have enough clearance to like fit inside there.
Yeah, I just want to let you know from up here, it's kind of
I know it's funny to watch. That's why I took it off the time lapse, because I'm like, this is funny watching me struggle with this. I'm laughing at it. So I'm gonna try this again, but I just want to take it off time lapse so you can just see the funniness, because I feel like it's funny and Tanner feels like it's funny, and if it's funny, it's worth watching in normal motion. I think the sea turtle was kind of working. I'm gonna do it. If we can slide my body underneath and Tanner says, come on, thing, come on, babe.
You're doing great, man.
We should have lifted the car up more. We messed up. We got some cardboard.
I think they threw them away.
Cardboard the whole, we had cardboard the whole time! I'm not gonna ask you again. Alright, bitch. I'm gonna ask you again. But this time less nice. Ah, you stupid cat. I ain't got no money, and you won't give me the money you got. Later, bitch! Oh shit.
What do you mean, oh shit?
I forgot about my rear O2. That is now dangling.
This downpipe won't come off.
Don't fucking tell me that.
That's because it's still bolted to the trans. Hold up.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is! I can see the bolt!
There's a second one?
Yeah, the 10!
Oh god. Damn it! Why didn't I take you off?
I can't get my socket.
Hiya, Jackie!
Jockey!
Jackie! Hiya! Hiya, Jackie! I can't breathe under here. How do I breathe without you here by my side? Oh, yeah!
There it is.
Eat that!
Eat shit and die.
Eat shit, motherfucker! Dude, come on, man.
Come on, man. You sound like Joe Biden.
Come on, man! Oh! Ah! 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 Oh!
Now you really sound like Joe Biden.
Ah! Tanner, I only have one eye. I only got one eye, Tanner.
That's all you need.
Oh, fuck! Ah!
Hold up. How'd you get in there?
Oh, like rust. Ow, a sharp piece of rust. Oh, God, hold up.
Run to the bathroom!
Holy fuck. Okay, let me move this. So I'm like,
It's gone. My wrench is gone.
Mittens,
Mittens, give it back! You bitch!
you're being a real dick right now,
I need
man.
to grab my magnet.
Oh, there it is. Fell. Right here. Fell on the ground.
I was like,
good.
what the hell am I hitting?
Not going down there.
It
It
just
already,
went.
I already have my magnet, so I'm just gonna.
Boop. Okay, time lapse. Alright guys, so we got the motor on the stand. We're gonna go ahead and get it torn down over the course of probably today and tomorrow. I'm gonna edit this video, and I have like 3 other ones before this because I've really been slacking. So we're currently just cleaning things up, trying to get everything all kind of freshened up. I'll put away tools and all that, and then I'll get to editing. And then in the next maybe week or so, probably see some videos on tearing down the motor. We want to find out exactly what the failure was. Like we've said, we're pretty sure it's rod bearings. Like 900% sure it's rod bearing of some sort. I'm guessing cylinder 4. Tanner thinks it's cylinder 2.
I'm gonna guess 3.
3? So I think it's 4. He thinks it's 3. We're gonna find out. So we'll do that in the next couple of videos. But for now, that's all I've got for you, and I'll see you in the next one.